Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a comparison between DraftKings versus PrizePicks to help you decide which one might be best for you. We'll start with DraftKings. DraftKings is one of the most popular sports betting and daily fantasy platforms. It lets you place traditional bets on game outcomes, point spreads, totals, prop bets, and more. You can also join daily fantasy contests where you draft a lineup and compete for prizes. One of DraftKings' biggest strengths is the variety of betting options, from simple moneyline bets to advanced prop and live in-game bets. The app and website are designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. DraftKings also offers promotions and bonuses for new users and ongoing offers for existing players. However, DraftKings is only available in states where sports betting is legal, and betting always involves risk, so you can win or lose money. Customer support can vary in responsiveness depending on how busy the platform is. Overall, DraftKings is strong if you enjoy traditional sports betting and fantasy contests with lots of options and markets. Now, let's talk about PrizePicks. PrizePicks is a prediction game platform that works differently than traditional sportsbooks. Instead of betting on winners or scores, PrizePicks lets you predict whether a player's performance stats will go over or under a number. For example, you might choose whether a player gets more or fewer points, rebounds, or yards than a predicted total. One of the main benefits of PrizePicks is its simplicity. You don't need to pick a side. You just choose over or under on a few player props. This can appeal to people who want a simpler and quicker way to place sports projections without complex odds. PrizePicks also offers flex play options, where you can win even if not all your picks are correct, depending on the format you choose. There are often promotions and bonus incentives for new users too. However, PrizePicks does not offer traditional sports betting markets like DraftKings. You won't find moneyline bets, point spreads, totals, or live bets. PrizePicks is about predicting player performance only. Because of this, it may feel limited if you want broader betting choices. So, which one is best? If you want traditional sports betting with lots of markets and fantasy contests, DraftKings is likely a better fit. If you prefer simple player performance predictions without complex odds and a quicker experience, PrizePicks might appeal more. Both platforms involve risk and are best used responsibly. Think about what type of experience you want before choosing. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.